At the MyLVC homepage, click on Bishop Library. Type in your topic's keywords in the search bar. Keywords are the 2 to 3 most important words in your topic. You can filter your results by the choices on the left side, including availability, subject, author, location, resource type, language, and more. Choose a title that interests you. Let's take a closer look at this one. The detailed record will provide you with important pieces of information about the book. You can find out where the book is located under location items. You need to know the location and the call number to find the book. Write them both down. Our book has a call number of HV9469 S45 1995 and a location of upper level. This book will be located upstairs across from the computers. You can click on Locate to find a map of the library. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can email, text, or call us. Thanks for watching.